Bound Angle, also known as Baddha Konasana, is a seated yoga posture that helps to stretch your inner thighs, knees, groin, and hips. It is also great for improving circulation throughout your entire body. Women can benefit from this pose as it can help soothe menstrual discomfort and also aid in having a smooth childbirth during pregnancy. Here's how you can do it. Start by sitting in a normal seated position with your hands resting on the mat on either side of you. Your legs should be stretched out in front of you. Bend your knees and bring your heels towards your pelvis. Then, bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees drop open. Use your hands to press down on your feet, while also pressing your feet firmly together. Lengthen your spine and sit up straight, gazing forward. Hold the pose for 1 to 5 minutes. Practice this pose regularly to experience its benefits and to improve your overall flexibility and well-being. The standing forward bend, or Uttanasana, is a yoga posture that has amazing effects on your body. It can improve blood circulation to your head, re-energizing the cells with the amount of oxygen supplied. This posture also stretches your hamstrings, releasing stress in your muscles and helping to calm you down. Here's how to do it. Start by standing up with your feet together. Soften your knees as you gently bend forward, folding your torso. Let your hands rest on the ground or next to your feet. Breathe in and out, as you broaden your chest to lengthen your spine. Feel the fold from your hip bone, making sure you don't feel the fold from your lower back. If you don't feel a stretch in your hamstrings, gently stretch your knees more. With your head bent towards the floor, gaze through your legs and hold on to that position for 30 seconds to 5 minutes. The Cobra pose is a great way to improve your spine flexibility and prepare for advanced back bend poses. It also stimulates your abdominal organs, aiding in digestion, and can help you relax when you're feeling fatigued. Here's how to do it. Start by lying face down on your yoga mat with your legs extended behind you and your toes pointing away from you. Bring your hands to your chest and press down from your feet to your pubic bone. Engage your back and gluteal muscles as you straighten your arms and lift your head and chest off the mat. Deepen the stretch by trying to lift your head further up. Gaze upwards and hold the pose for 1 to 5 minutes. Remember to breathe deeply and focus on your posture throughout the pose. With regular practice, the Cobra pose can help you build strength and flexibility in your back and improve your overall health and well-being. The Viparita karani pose, also known as the legs up the wall pose, is a restorative yoga posture that has several benefits for your body. Firstly, it improves blood circulation, particularly in the upper body. Secondly, it stretches your back muscles from the heels to the upper back. Thirdly, if you are a woman, it can help alleviate menstrual symptoms by massaging your reproductive organs. To perform this pose, start by using a prop such as a pillow or a bolster. Place it under your lower back with your left side against the wall. Slowly turn your body to the left and bring your legs up the wall. Use your hands for balance. Let your upper body rest on the floor, and rest your shoulders. Your arms should be rested on the sides. Relax your buttocks area and close your eyes. Hold that position for 5 to 10 minutes, as you breathe with awareness. To release the pose, push yourself away from the wall and slide your legs to the right side. Remember to listen to your body, and adjust the pose according to your comfort level. Practicing this pose regularly can help you feel relaxed and rejuvenated. The Plow Pose is a fantastic yoga posture that can provide numerous benefits to your body. By practicing this pose, you can alleviate back pain, improve blood circulation, increase your spine's flexibility, and relieve stress, leaving you feeling energized. To begin the pose, start by lying face up on the floor with your arms on your sides. As you inhale, engage your core and lift your feet off the ground, stretching them backward to a 90-degree angle. Remember to use your hands to support your lower back and hips when stretching your legs. Continue stretching your feet backward until they rest behind you, and then gently remove your arms from your hips and interlock them together before stretching them forward. Press the hands down as you lift your thighs and hips higher. Hold on to the posture for 1 to 5 minutes, and enjoy the benefits that this pose can bring to your body and mind. The Four-Limbed Staff Pose, also known as Chaturanga. This pose is great for beginners who want to build strength in their arms and wrists, as well as tone their abdomen. It's also a good preparation for more advanced arm balancing poses. To start, get into a plank position, with your arms and legs straight and your core engaged. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly lower your body down towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your ribs. Your torso and legs should be just an inch or 2 off the ground. If you're a beginner, you can modify the pose by lowering your knees to the ground. As you hold the pose, keep your gaze forward and use your arms and legs to support your body. You can hold the pose for 1 to 2 minutes, or as long as you feel comfortable. Remember to breathe deeply and stay focused on your form. With practice, you'll build strength and confidence in this pose and be ready to take on more challenging arm balances in no time. Enjoy your practice. The Warrior 3 Pose, a powerful posture for improving balance and coordination. This pose also tones your abdomen muscles, strengthens your legs and ankles, and stretches your hamstrings, shoulders, and chest. It's a great way to release stress and calm your body. To begin, stand in the mountain pose with your feet hip distance apart. Take a deep breath in and stretch your arms over your head. As you exhale, slowly extend your left leg straight behind you. Shift your weight to your right leg. As you straighten your left leg, engage your right quadriceps to help support your body. Keep your neck relaxed in a neutral position as you gaze downwards. Stay in this position for 5 to 10 breaths. When you're ready to release, bring your left foot back to the ground and raise your upper body up. Then, switch sides and repeat the posture with your right leg extended. Remember to breathe deeply and focus on your form. With practice, you'll build strength and confidence in this pose and feel more balanced and centered in your daily life. Enjoy your practice. The King Dancer Pose, a posture that can help improve focus and concentration while developing flexibility in your hamstring, shoulders, and spine. To start, stand upright with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly shift your weight to your right foot as you lift your left foot off the ground and towards your back. Extend your left arm backward and support your left foot by holding it just above the ankle. Your right arm should be pointed straight forward. Use your left arm to lift your left leg higher as the knees bend to accommodate the pull. Your toes should be almost at the same length as your head. As you hold the pose, breathe deeply and focus on your form. Keep your gaze steady and maintain your balance. You may want to practice near a wall or a sturdy object for extra support. When you're ready to release the pose, gently lower your left foot back to the ground and return to a standing position. Remember to switch sides and repeat the posture with your right foot lifted. With practice, you'll improve your focus, balance, and flexibility in this beautiful and challenging pose. Enjoy your practice. The seated forward bend pose, a posture that can help stretch your hamstrings, lower and upper back, improve digestion, calm your brain, relieve stress, and soothe anxiety and headaches. To start, sit in a comfortable position with your legs together and your hands on your hips. Gently lift up your chest and start moving forward towards your feet from your waist up. Engage your lower abdominals as you move forward. Go as low as you can and then stop, release your neck and your head, and hold on to that position for 8 to 10 breaths. Remember to breathe deeply and focus on your form. If you find it difficult to reach your toes, you can use a strap or a towel to help you. Be gentle and listen to your body. Over time, you'll improve your flexibility and find greater ease in this pose. Seated forward bend is an important posture to incorporate into your yoga practice, and it's a great way to prepare your body for deeper stretches and more challenging poses. Now that you've learned some basic yoga poses, it's time to explore yoga routines you can follow as a beginner. Check out the next chapter for more guidance and inspiration on your yoga journey.